Okay, so here we are in Plaza Colon, and this is the central plaza. This is a statue dedicated to Cristobal Colon, who English speakers you may know as Christopher Columbus. And this is a central plaza at the entrance to Old San Juan here. You'll see there's a main drag one-way street that comes in on the ocean side of Old San Juan, and my Uber dropped me off right there. And when Old San Juan is busy, it's often a good spot to put down to be dropped off. And you'll see the Fort Cristobal up to the left, and that fort is part of, it's included with El Morro, so if you're going to visit both, you can get one ticket, visit both in the same day. So it's a good drop-off spot if you're going to visit there. And then you'll see Avenida de la Constitucion. It goes back towards Condado and Ocean Park. So it's also a good spot to catch an Uber heading if you're going to Uber back to your Airbnb or hotel. So it's a central square, and when there's festivals like San Sebastian, they close a lot of the other streets, and this is sort of a drop-off point for Uber as well. So when it's really busy, I've learned to just drop off and pick up at Plaza Colon if you can do a little walking. So I'm just going to show you the sort of the ring of the plaza here. This is going to be a hotel. I toured it a while ago, that nice building. So when that opens, it'll be cool. There's the back of the statue. Pretty quiet today on a Friday. This is March 5th, 2021. It's about 88 degrees. And they predicted it could rain a little later, but you see some clouds up there, so you never know, but could just be a squall. And then these are some of the iconic streets you'll see with the cool colors. So it's a good place to start here. And you've got a big map here, so you can see we're here. So really the entrance, Castillo San Cristobal, and then way out here is El Morro. So if you're going there, you could have your Uber take you all there and start first all the way there. Or, this is a drop off and you can do a lot of things from here. So I often go, this is nice along the pier, and you can take Paseo de la Princesa and end up out here as well, which is what I might do this time. Both walks are beautiful though, whether you go this way or this way. So I think for this video, just to show you Plaza Colon, I'll walk a little bit here, and then we'll just go to the corner perhaps, yeah, and then you'll have seen all four sides back to the statue. So that's Plaza Colon in San Juan, Old San Juan, Viejo San Juan, Puerto Rico.